What's up, guys? It's Susie Bullock from HeyGrillHey.com, and if you're watching this, that's great news. It means we already have something in common. We both love good barbecue, which is perfect because my whole goal is to help you make better barbecue so you can feed the people you love and become a backyard barbecue hero. Today, we're doing that with my garlic butter burger. This dish makes 4 large burgers or 8 slider-sized burgers. Today, we're doing the 4 big ones because we're having burgers for dinner. You're gonna need 25 minutes for this recipe, 10 minutes of prep, and 15 minutes outside on the grill. This is like an elevated cheeseburger. Not only we have beautiful grilled all beef patties, we're doing garlic butter buns, a roasted tomato, and fresh basil and fresh mozzarella cheese. The inspiration behind this dish came from my family. Of course, we are obsessed with caprese salad, and we all love a good cheeseburger, so I figured why not smash the two together. Let's get started. We're gonna press our thumbs into the center of each of our burger patties. This will help prevent them from swelling in the middle on the grill and give us a more even cook. Then we are simply gonna season both sides with our garlic salt and our black pepper. Flip your patties over, make sure you season. While the grill's outside preheating to about 450 degrees, we're gonna prep everything for our burgers so that when we're out there, it's quick and easy to just cook through the whole process at once. We're gonna spread garlic butter on both sides of our hamburger buns. Now, I bought this garlic butter from the store, but you can make your own just by mixing softened butter, minced garlic, and some dried basil. Buns are prepped, burgers are seasoned. We're gonna put our cherry tomatoes into our vegetable grill pan, and then we're gonna put our remaining garlic butter just on top of these tomatoes so that as we toss the tomatoes, they cook in that butter. We're gonna grab our cutting board, our tomatoes, a spatula, a pair of tongs, and we're ready to head outside and grill. Our grill is preheated. Let's get those patties on first. I don't know if anything tastes better than a burger cooked over charcoal, to be honest with you. So we're gonna leave the patties on for just a couple of minutes. When I flip those the first time, we're gonna put our roasted tomatoes on the grill grates. Yep, these are ready to flip. Keep your tongs handy, or at least your spatula, because you're gonna be stirring these pretty frequently on the grill. Those look so good. You're getting that nice, crispy, caramelized outside on those burgers, and they smell amazing. You only need to flip your burgers once, but you want to keep those tomatoes moving constantly. The tomatoes are going to be done when they start to burst and pop and release their juices, and they'll cook down and become really, really sweet. If the FDA is watching, you need to cook your burgers to 165 degrees. For anybody else who is watching, we like our burgers a little bit closer to medium, so these are at 125, which is rare right now. 5 more degrees, and we're going to put that cheese on. Once our cheese is on, we need to toast our buns. This is gonna go really fast here. We're gonna close the lid for just a second to really help melt that mozzarella cheese. And then from there, we're about ready to assemble these burgers. Each toasted bun These tomatoes are soft. They're gonna be so sweet, and they're gonna add some nice juiciness to our burgers. Each burger gets a big piece of fresh basil. These look amazing, and the whole family is gonna love them. But I gotta be honest with you, I think Mama needs to sneak a quick bite before I take them inside to feed everybody else. Look at that.
Hey, whoa, 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 whoa. What are you doing? Look at that. I'll take that.
You can take these ones in for the kids, but can you try a bite?
Oh my gosh. Do we have to share these?
No.
Okay, good.
We'll just keep these ones, okay?
Deal.
Oh my gosh. You guys absolutely have to try this recipe. dripping down your hands, dripping down my face. I want you guys to have this same experience at home when you make these garlic butter burgers. And when you do, leave a comment. Let us know what you think of them. Even better, snap a photo because these are incredibly photogenic sandwiches. Post them on social media and tag us using the hashtag #HeyGrillHey. That way we can see it and cheer you on your own path to becoming a backyard barbecue hero. Take another bite. See you guys